Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma instances versus variants. We'll dive into their fundamental differences, explore their individual strengths, and uncover how they can be combined to build robust and scalable design systems. You'll learn practical strategies for managing your components efficiently, ensuring consistency across your projects, and streamlining your collaborative design workflow. Get ready to elevate your Figma skills and make informed decisions about your component architecture. An instance in Figma is essentially a reusable copy of a main component. Think of it as a blueprint. Any modification to the original main component will instantly reflect across all its instances, ensuring 100% consistency. You can, however, apply local overrides to an instance, changing things like text or color without affecting the main component. This offers incredible flexibility while maintaining a strong connection to your core design elements. Variants allow you to group different versions of a single component into one cohesive unit. Instead of creating dozens of separate components for a button's various states, like default, hover, and disabled, you can define these as properties within a single button component. This significantly streamlines your component library, making it much easier to manage, navigate, and apply consistent styles across your entire design project. So, when should you use which? Use instances for simple repetitions of a base component, like multiple icons or avatars. Opt for variants when a component needs distinct states or configurations, such as a button with different sizes or themes. The real power often comes from combining them, using instances within your variant sets. This approach allows for maximum flexibility and scalability, creating a robust and easily maintainable design system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.